Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining what happened in RDC 2020, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically a Roblox Developer Conference, okay? And, they did announce a bunch of new stuff for Roblox developers, and it actually was just held this afternoon, and I'm going to be explaining all the cool stuff that was announced, everything cool that's coming to Roblox, everything cool that happened, so many records that were broken. It's honestly so exciting, and I wanted to upload this video to share it with you guys. It's super cool. So I just highlighted a bunch of the cool things I thought there was, put them on here, and you'll see everything I thought was cool. I'm sure you'll find it interesting too. So yeah. Anyways, let's get right into this video. Yeah, okay. Alright, first things first, voice chat is coming to Roblox, okay? It's confirmed, okay? Voice chat was 99% confirmed, as you can see here. If you guys don't know who the CEO of Roblox is, or like basically the owner, it's David Baszucki, right? And basically, this guy right here was at RDC, and he said, David just said, if I wanted to walk over and talk to J Party, I can literally walk over and talk to J Party. And then as you can see here too, another quote by David Baszucki himself, he says, when communicating with your friends, our older players will have much more freedom than they have today. So that basically means voice chat's coming to Roblox, obviously confirmed. Not sure when. I'm not sure how that's going to work, honestly. I hope that doesn't get like abused, you know what I mean? But we'll see how that works, I guess. But it'll be interesting to have voice chat one day. But yeah, that's cool. Alright, next. Okay, this is what I thought was really interesting in my opinion. This is David's, the CEO's 5-year predictions, okay? And basically, a check mark means it's like done. Thumbs up means it's basically like, like it's pretty much going to happen. Thumbs down means it's probably not going to happen. And then this, I don't know what that means, but don't worry about those ones anyways. Anyways, as you can see though, here's a lot of cool stuff that happened. So as you can see, we'll go from top to bottom. No country with more than 50% of top developers. I guess that's kind of cool. But this one's pretty cool. 1 million concurrency in a Roblox game, and that was actually their goal for last year, and they actually hit it this year. Adopt Me broke 1 million players at the same time, or more than that actually. I think it was 1.4 million, which is an insane amount of players. That's really cool. But yeah, a major brand releases a game to Roblox as a platform. That could be kind of cool. A national movie launches based on developers' game on Roblox. That'd be kind of cool. More than 50 million people will learn to code on Roblox, and they actually think that's going to happen. I mean, I'm not sure how close they are. I wasn't at RDC, unfortunately, so I don't really know what's going to happen there, but I'm assuming they're pretty close. So that's pretty cool. I mean, if 50 million people do learn to code on Roblox, that's a really cool number. As you can see here, 100,000 people will watch a Roblox game stream in 3D. 50% of toys sold. This one is cool. Okay, look, a Roblox developer earns 50 million in 1 year. Okay, now this is actually like a bad screenshot because it actually had a check by it. Like here, like it did have a check by it. Trust me, but here, let me show you actually if I can find it real quick. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. I got it. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so as you can see here, there's the check mark. So a Roblox developer earns 50 million in 1 year. That's insane. Like a Roblox developer, one single person earned $50 million. Like this is not Robux, US dollars. Well, it's not really one person, it's probably just like one game is what I mean by that. But still, in 1 year, that's insane. That's really cool to see that, you know what I mean, that Roblox can have that kind of funding, I guess, you know what I mean, like that you can make that much off Roblox so you can scale that high. That's really interesting and super cool. Congrats to whoever did it. I'm assuming it's the Adopt Me dev team, but it's really cool. As you can see, he has some more stuff here though. He has 100% companies developing on Roblox. The President of the United States will mention the Roblox avatar and camera. And I can leave that one up. So yeah, and then also one that was pretty cool too is like Tesla will use Roblox developers in some promotional effort. So if you don't know what Tesla is, it's like the car, you know what I mean, those Teslas. And apparently, you know what I mean, Roblox developers will have some sort of promotional effort with Tesla. So that'll be kind of cool to see how that works. But yeah, those are pretty cool. All right, next we got upcoming events. Okay, so this is a new thing they announced too. Basically, like you'll be able to make events, right, like with other developers, and they can be either in real life events or virtual events. As you can see here, they have, London, Paris. It's kind of hard to read. Sorry about that. The quality's kind of low, but as you can see, they have little events that people make themselves. I'm not sure how it's going to work, but it seems kind of interesting, I guess, kind of cool. So yeah. Okay, next we have something where it's like a hiring type thing. Okay, look at this. So this is like sort of like a LinkedIn, if you guys don't know what that is. Almost more similar to Fiverr, I guess. I don't know. I don't really know exactly. But as you can see here, you can go here on this little page they have, which isn't out yet, obviously. But you can go here to hire people, right? And basically, as you can see, you have hired people for engineering, game design, audio, production, marketing, all that stuff, right? You can filter by different skills people have, and you can hire them, as you can see, employment full-time, part-time, contract, skills, role, all that cool stuff. That seems pretty interesting in my opinion. It'll be a lot easier to hire people and find people to work with. That's really, really cool. I'm definitely excited for this myself personally, and let me know what you guys are in the comments below too. All right, next. This is cool too. Okay, look at this. So, amazing opportunity, core growth metrics. Okay, so as you can see here, Roblox is on track to pay out $250 million in DevEx in 2020. Dude, that's an insane amount of money. Like that's really cool that Roblox developers in total can make that much money. Very interesting and very cool. But yeah, I mean, so there's literally $250 million going around for people to make. You know what I mean? You get a piece of that. So yeah, it's kind of cool. You got over here monetizing devs. 345,000 monetizing devs, including premium payouts, and then premium payout of $2 million in June 2020. That's a lot of money, honestly, just for June 2020. I didn't realize premium payouts made that much money for people. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, next we have this little game analytics page, and this is kind of a bad screenshot, but this is all I could find. But as you can see here, this is sort of like an analytics type thing, right? Where you can see how your game's performing a lot better. I'm super excited for this because like currently the developer stats page on Roblox is not very good. I mean it's okay. It doesn't give you much information though. They can give you a lot more, and it seems like this is what am I saying? That's going to be what this is. So yeah, I'm super excited to see this. It's going to be so cool. You'll be able to learn so much more about your game and the back end of it, and why players are leaving, why players are joining, all that stuff. And it'll help you make your games better. So yeah. Pretty cool. Not sure when that's coming out, but obviously soon. Okay, also one thing too, you got dev awards. Okay, so basically, if developers are making a certain amount of players, or they're like reach a certain amount of players in the game, they'll actually Roblox might, I don't know like what the exact requirement is, but they'll send out like rewards to you, I guess. And, as like kind of a reward, I guess. But yeah, it's kind of cool. I think you have a few things like socks, a backpack. You can wear that backpack to to school or something. I show your Roblox backpack off, and but it's kind of cool. I like it. It doesn't look that bad in my opinion. But yeah, interesting. It's interesting. All right, next you got dynamic skies. This is basically like okay, as you can see here, since it'll come this year, but basically skies that kind of move, right? Like clouds, different types of clouds, all that stuff. That'll be pretty cool. Kind of interesting, kind of cool, I guess. I'm gonna go through the next ones pretty fast because it's kind of simple. Layered clothing. This is pretty interesting too. Honestly, I could not care for this. Looks kind of weird in my opinion, but I guess it's cool. I don't know. Everything new is cool in my opinion, so that's kind of cool, I guess. So yeah, layered clothing. Material library, better quality and more choice. That's going to seem pretty interesting for you builders out there. You'll be able to do a lot more on Roblox, the platform itself, with just Roblox. That's pretty cool. So yeah. For my scripters out there, okay, we're gonna have a better data store system. Okay, as you can see, in-memory storage offering, enabling global matchmaking, universal live leaderboards, and more. As you can see, higher speed, reading, writing, and higher throughput. Pretty interesting. Okay, more fonts too. That's pretty cool. Obviously, why not? We love more fonts, right? More stuff to do. Kind of cool. What else we got? In-game video. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so basically, we're gonna have in-game videos. There's going to be a new asset type that's added to games where it's going to be literally, you'll be able to watch videos. As you can see, never seen before content like virtual concerts, movie premieres, and more. That is very interesting. I'm excited to see that. It's going to be so cool. So yeah, hopefully that'll come out soon. Not sure when, but eventually it probably will. So yeah, I can see they're already working on it. All right, next we got big immersive games. Okay, and what they mean by this is like you'll be able to have hundreds, maybe even thousands of players in a server, right? Which is going to be insane. That's going to be so cool. As you can see, more efficient, unified use of resources, making Roblox faster. That's super cool. I'm excited to see this. I'm really excited to see this, honestly. I mean, imagine having 1,000 players in a server. Like, I don't know why, but that just seems so cool. You know what I mean? But yeah. Also, I'm going to be real with you, though. I don't know why they have all these characters here. I hope Roblox isn't trying to push these characters because they look weird in my opinion. But, I guess they're going to do what they want to do. But honestly, these look really weird. I like the regular Roblox avatars way better than these art ones. They look really weird. But still, the fact that you can have people in the server, that's cool. But hopefully, it's not going to be like this, is what they mean. I don't know. But we'll see. But yeah. And that's pretty much it there, guys. There's a lot more stuff they mentioned, but nothing really I thought that's too crazy and worth mentioning in this video, so I'm not going to waste your time with it. This is just a short, quick recap of some of the cool things I thought there was. So yeah, if you want to see like everything that happened, I'm not sure if you really can just yet, but sometimes it might be available like on like the dev forum. Look there maybe, and like the whole recap of the presentation might be there. So yeah, I'd really wait a day or two and you'll see it. But yeah, that's pretty much it there, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. That's it from me. That's everything that's new coming to Roblox. Super cool. I'm excited to see all this stuff come out. Honestly, it's gonna be so interesting to see this. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Sorry about this video. Okay, it's kind of random, but a lot of cool stuff. I had to talk about it. I thought it was interesting. So yeah. Anyways, hope you enjoyed, guys. I'll see you in the next one, and peace.